Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a payee on M&T Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your M&T Bank on your phone and then tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. Once you have done that, this kind of menu option gonna pop up. From over here, tap on this option of bill pay as highlighted. Then afterwards, from the list of bill pay, you're gonna tap on this option of add a payee as highlighted again. Then you simply have to provide the payee name and tap on next right after. Now the add payee section gonna come up. You simply have to tap on this enter manually option, tap on it. Then you simply have to provide the details, their name on top, their account number, their address 1 and 2, and their city, state, zip code, nickname accordingly if you have all of the information. If you do not, then make sure to provide them. Once you're done with that information, in the bottom section, you're going to find this option of add this page to your favorite if you want, or otherwise tap on this next option in the bottom. Now from over here, go ahead, check out the details, simply the review, which is the third option. Once you have reviewed it perfectly, tap on the submit option. Now the last option, which is you can see your pay has been added. You can check out the details again. You can tap on done or tap on finish and then go back to your home screen and can use your phone pay as the way you would prefer, and you're good to go. So this is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.